In today's video, we're talking about how to create product bundles and upsells in Shopify using Atlas AI 2.0. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been looking for a simple way to increase your average order value without adding complicated apps or custom code, this tutorial is for you. Atlas AI has made it incredibly easy to build bundle offers and smart upsells that actually make sense for your customers. You can now combine products, write persuasive copy, and automate the entire process directly inside your Shopify store, all with the support of AI. So whether you're selling digital products, skincare, apparel, or supplements, I'll show you how to create beautiful optimized bundles that actually convert. Let's get started. So first off, what is Atlas AI? Atlas AI is an AI-powered website builder and product assistant built for Shopify users. It helps you design, write, and launch your entire storefront automatically, including product pages, copy, and branding. But one of its most underrated features, its ability to help you create product bundles and upsells, complete with descriptions, visuals, and layout suggestions, all within minutes. So instead of adding multiple Shopify apps or spending hours testing designs, Atlas AI gives you a plug-and-play setup that works out of the box. Now, let's talk about why product bundles and upsells even matter. So bundles and upsells are one of the fastest ways to increase revenue without finding new customers. A product bundle lets customers buy multiple related items together at a small discount. For example, if you sell skincare, you can bundle a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. The customer saves money and you earn more per sale. Upsales, on the other hand, appear right before checkout or on the product page, like suggesting a matching accessory, refill pack, or upgrade to a larger size. These offers work because they help your customer get better results while boosting your profit margin. Atlas AI helps you create them automatically using smart logic and clean designs that fit your brand. So let's get into how to do this. Okay, so what you need to do first is go ahead and install Atlas AI. If you don't have a Shopify account created, you'll want to do that first. So we do have a link down in the description below for you to go ahead and get started with a free trial of a Shopify store. And then we'll come in here and click install. Once that is installed, you'll have this apps. It will be under your apps section right here. So as you can see, we're on the AI store builder. So we'll go ahead and proceed. We'll click Shopify. We'll go ahead and add one of our products. You do have to have a product added. So if you need to go do that, you'll just come up here to products and then click add new product. The beauty of Atlas AI is you're not starting from a blank screen, right? So since it is at its core an AI website builder, what holds so many people back is just getting started. And this is just so helpful to be able to not stare at a blank screen and have a starting point. It's not going to be perfect at all, but it just, again, it allows you to start from a pre-made template, and then you can go in and customize, put your own voice in, make sure you add your own images and everything like that. So now let's even add some other images. That one, add another one. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and proceed. Now what we'll want to do is choose our color presets. Ooh, I kind of like this soft clay one. Or if we want to go more fitnessy, we can go with the green, but you can even come in here and go to the home page. I kind of like this soft clay one though. Okay, then we can go ahead and go to the home page, and this is where you can customize everything from, the image banner to the subheading, all the bullets. You can come in here and customize every single thing. Same with the products. You'll come in here, make everything exactly what you want it to be. And then as soon as you are done, we'll go ahead and click launch store. Go ahead and click publish. Okay, what we're going to go ahead and do next, now that our website is done, we're going to go ahead and go to bundle, and we're going to create a bundle. We can choose from any of these bundle templates. Buy one, get one 50% off, buy two, get one free. We've got buy two, save 10%. So that's buy X, get Y. They've got the volume discount. We can complete the look, or we can do an essential bundle to save 10%, a premium bundle, right? So again, you can also create from scratch as well, or create using AI, but I kind of like the complete the look. Cool. So now it will add another product to actually complete the look, which it selected the high rise leggings since we originally are doing the bra. Cool. So now what you can do is customize everything else in here. So you can do all products, you can do specific collections, specific products, right? Amazing. You can change the colors, the text, subscriptions. So all you'll do is go ahead and and click publish bundle. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and go to cart upsells, which is right here. Now, as you can see, the cart status is disabled. So this is where you can come in here and customize everything. So now an upsell offer is a single recommended add-on shown on the product or checkout page. So this is where you're going to customize all of that. The cart title, the checkout button, the empty cart message, the empty cart button. You can customize the colors right here, the announcement bar, the shipping protection, subscription upgrades. So then we'll come down to the product upsells. From here, you can upsell the title like you might also like. You can click the add button, the above button, and then you'll configure the upsell products. So you can add all products, or you can do a specific upsell product as well. Okay, so that way when someone is going to check out, that will automatically be shown, hey, do you want to add this? So it's really, really powerful. So now we can go ahead and see our custom website that was built for us. We can come in here and customize this as much as we'd like. We can move things around. We can add things. So it is very powerful. We'll go ahead and look at the preview, shop now, add to cart, catalog. Again, I just wanted to show you how easy it actually is. Okay, if we wanted to add this, add to cart, we click check out. Okay, then as soon as you are ready to go, you've got your bundles, you've got your upsells, you can go ahead and publish your store. Now, I just wanted to touch on some bonus tips so you can get the most out of bundles and upsells. So once your offers are live, you don't want to stop there. You can use a few smart tweaks to make them convert even better. So first, you want to test your bundle titles. Atlas AI gives you suggestions, but try a few variations yourself. For example, Glow Essentials Kit versus the 3-step skincare routine. A name that sounds specific and benefit driven will always perform better. Next, you want to use urgency and scarcity in your descriptions. Simple lines like only 25 sets left or this bundle is only available this week can increase conversions instantly. Just make sure it's real because customers can tell when urgency feels fake. Also, make your bundles easy to spot. Feature them on your homepage or at the top of your product's collections. People won't buy what they don't see. Atlas AI lets you automatically generate banners or sections that highlight your offers, so use those to your advantage. If you're offering upsells, place them strategically. The best time to show an upsell is right after someone adds something in their cart or immediately after checkout when they're already in a buying mindset. Atlas AI integrates those placements automatically, so you don't have to manually code them in. And finally, watch your analytics. Shopify and Atlas AI both show you conversion metrics, so after a week or two, check which bundles are selling the most. If one bundle is outperforming the other, use that layout or copy as your new template moving forward. Small data-driven tweaks like this are going to help your store evolve quickly without having to hire a marketing team. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons so you can decide if Atlas is for you. So the best thing about using Atlas AI for bundles and upsells is that it just simplifies everything. You don't need a separate Shopify app, complex discount logic, or technical setup. It writes, designs, and imports everything directly, so all you have to do is approve, test, and publish. The only downside is that if you sell highly complex or customizable products, you might still want to tweak the AI's descriptions to make sure the copy matches your exact materials or variants. But for most sellers, the automation is accurate and saves hours of manual work. And lastly, before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on the different plans and pricing options. So Atlas AI does have a free plan where you can just generate your store. You will have to create a free Shopify account and then go ahead and add products. Then the AI will completely generate your store within a few minutes. Then they've got the starter plan. So this is for beginner and intermediate dropshippers who want to test products faster with AI built stores and revenue boosting tools. The main features include license to use Atlas theme, AI store builder, unlimited stores, AI product page builder, unlimited pages, AI photo generator, unlimited photos, bundler, upsells, and quantity breaks, and cart upsells. Then you get up to 5K in added revenue per month. And then they've got the growth plan, and you actually can save 50% if you pay annually. If not, it's $99 per month. So you'll need to upgrade to this plan with unlimited added revenue. So this is for intermediate and advanced drop shippers scaling stores quickly. So you could always start with the free plan, move up to the starter plan when you're ready, and then go ahead and go on to the growth plan. So should you use Atlas AI for bundles and upsells? If you're looking for a simple no-code way to increase sales, then absolutely. Atlas AI makes what used to take multiple apps and hours of setup take minutes. You'll spend less time configuring offers and more time focusing on products and marketing. Even if you already have a functioning Shopify store, adding Atlas AI is a really good way to modernize your flow and keep your pages optimized for conversions. Now, as a personal note, I know how easy it is to overcomplicate upsells and bundles, especially when you're juggling all other parts of running an online store. Atlas AI takes the stress out of it and turns a long technical task into something creative and quick. You don't have to be a designer or a developer to make professional, high converting offers. You just need the right tools. If you're ready to start building your own bundles or upsells, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below to make sure you're getting the best price possible. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is here to help e-commerce founders grow smarter, faster, and with less tech overwhelm. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.